Hello my dear students, in this video let's study a new topic, that is a customer relationship marketing. In short, it is called as CRM. But do not confuse it with another term, customer relationship management. Though the terms look like similar, both are different concepts, but they complement each other. That means customer relationship marketing is supported by customer relationship management. Let's see the introduction. In this era of stiff competition, product innovation is definitely one of the key significant elements that the organization need to depend upon to steer themselves ahead in the market. Along with the technical leadership, the companies necessarily need to know how to reach out the customer. Engaging the customer, understanding the customer, and building relationship has become the need of the day. That means in this competition era, in order to survive in the market, customer retention become important. The way to retain the existing customers and attracting new customer is only possible through building a cordial relationship with the customers. So, to understand the needs and wants of the customers and to retain them, customer relationship marketing concept emerged and it plays important role in business. One way to ensure that your customers trust your business is by prioritizing developing meaningful relationships that promote brand loyalty and customer retention. Customer relationship marketing is currently taking a lot of industries by storm. Customer relationship marketing is not a short term method, it is a long term effort designed to consistently delight your customers. That means now customer relationship marketing concept become adopted by every organization. CRM is a method which helps the organization to build long-term relationship with its customer. The biggest emphasis of a CRM is on customer and the retention of the customer and customer relationship. Customer relationship marketing, evolution of customer relationship marketing. First, in 1950, it was customer good marketing. In 1960, it was developed as a industrial goods marketing. In 1970, it was in the form of marketing of non-profit organization or societal marketing. In 1980, it was a service marketing. At last, in 1990, customer relation marketing was emerged. It is a evolution of a CRM. Let's see the meaning of CRM or customer relationship marketing. According to Techopedia, customer relationship marketing is a business process in which client relationships, customer loyalty, and brand value are built through marketing strategies and activities. That means it is a strategy designed to foster customer loyalty, interactions, and long term engagement. And utilizing customer data and feedback, business develop strong bonds with their customers to gain their trust and build a brand image. That is a customer relationship marketing. In short, the having building the relationship with the customer and retaining the customer, that is a meaning of a customer relationship marketing. Now let's see the goal of a customer relationship marketing. Goals of customer relationship management are customer acquisition, means acquiring the new customer is the main aim of a customer relationship management, and retaining them for long term. Then customer satisfaction, identifying the needs and wants of the customer and produce the same and make them available to the customer, so to get a customer satisfaction. That is a second goal of a CRM. Then retention of the customer, the attracted customer must be retained for the long term purpose and create the brand value of the product. Then enhancing the customer base, means increase the customer through attracting the new customers. These are the four goals of a customer relationship marketing. Next one, customer relationship marketing marks a significant paradigm shift in marketing. a movement from thinking slowly in terms of competition and conflict toward thinking in terms of mutual interdependency and cooperation. That means CRM brought a change in marketing by shifting its importance on selling the product to customer satisfaction and their retention. It acknowledges the significance of various parties, suppliers, employees, distributors, dealers, retailers, cooperating to deliver the best value to the target customers. That means a company maintain a good relationship with the different parties like a customer, employees, suppliers, distributors, dealers, and retailers. The main characteristics of customer relationship marketing. It focuses on partners and customers rather than on the company's product. That means CRM give more importance to the customers than the its product. It lays more significance on customer retention and growth than on customer acquisition. Means the customer must be retained for a long term and the growth of the organization are important under CRM. It relies on cross functional teams rather than departmental level work. That means here all the department must be work together to achieve a certain goal, that is to satisfy the customer and retain building the customer relationship. So through because of that reason this all the department must be work together. That is a main characteristic of a CRM. Then customer relationship marketing strategies. What are the strategies that used by the customer relationship marketing? There are several ways that companies go about customer relationship marketing. One of the best strategies for building relationship with the customer is focusing on emotion. That means brands who excel in customer relationship management marketing use nostalgia in their campaigns because it is one of the most powerful connections consumer can have to a brand. So emotional relationship should be developed. Then show customers you value them with every interaction. That means spontaneously recognize the customer's needs and wants and delighting them in unexpected ways. Through this, you show the customer that the company value them. Then listen to customers and respond and communicate frequently. That means a relationship is nothing without communication. So make sure you communicate with the customers through social media, email, messages. Use social media monitoring tools to reply comments and complaints and address customer concern. Give customers free information. That means identify the topics and interests customers have and then create content to address them and give customers free access to it, such as information video on products, then newsletters that highlighted individual customers and share their stories, etc. So through that give the information to the customer at a free. Next one, core services. That means a customer relationship is established on a core services. It attracts new customer through its need marketing character, providing the quality and provide a base for the selling of additional services over time. Then customizing the relationship. Getting to know individual customers' requirements and their needs, and on that basis that provide the services and satisfy the customer. Through this, develop a customer relation. Then internal marketing. Here, employees are treated as internal customers. Here, employees are treated as internal customers who must convinced of a company's vision and they stimulate the customers to purchase the product and have a direct relationship with the customer. So if customer is satisfied, then it create a good relation with the business. So in order to create a good relation with the customer, the employees plays an important role. So because of that reason, here organization must give importance to the internal customer, that is must give importance to the employees. So these are the different way to develop customer relationship marketing, means different strategies to build a customer relationship marketing. Then Next one, benefits of customer relationship marketing. Build strong relationship with current and potential customers. What are the advantages of relationship marketing? First one, build a strong relationship with current and potential customers. That means by implementing relationship marketing strategy, increase the loyalty of the customers and demonstrate that company view them as a relationship. So because of, so through that it build a strong relationship with the existing customer, and also it attract the new customers. Then next one, improve customer retention. That means understand the potential and existing customers and solve their problems. Then it creates satisfaction in the customer. So when they satisfy, then they get a customer stick to the same company. So through that you can the customer can be retained. Then saves crucial time and money. That means it saves CRM, it saves the company's time and money, because business focus on the prospectors that actually show promise of maintaining relationship, rather than wasting their money trying to pursue wrong type of customers. Then increase customer satisfaction. CRM increases customer satisfaction and communication levels. Customers who have strong relationship with companies interact with them more frequently, which makes it easier to learn about customer via customer data platform. Then delivering a consistent customer services. By becoming customer centric and focusing on customer relationships, companies work across the organization to meet customer needs, improve satisfaction, and deliver an exceptional experience. These are the different activities that are help to maintain the consistency. Then spread brand awareness. That means when a customer are happy and satisfied, then they are more likely to refer your business. Through that brand awareness created. Then gathering customer feedback. Companies must gather feedback and analyzing it to make better business decision to build a stronger relationship. These are the some benefit from the CRM. Then you can understand this CRM through one example. For example, you went to you want to stitch your clothes. So you will go to a X tailor shop. So you go X tailoring shop. Okay, you want to stitch your cloth, because of that reason you will go X tailoring shop, and you tell them to stitch your clothes, and you tell them to give clothes on a specific date. On the specific day, the clothes stitched according to your need, and you are satisfied by their stitching. In the next time again you will go to the same X tailoring shop. Why? Because you are satisfied by their stitching style, and they give you a clothes on specific date, so you build a trust on them. So this is the so because of this trust you get a good relation with that X tailoring shop. Because of this trust and because of this relationship, you what X tailoring shop can retain the customers. This is the way how customer relationship marketing can be maintained, or how the customer relation can be maintained. Okay, I hope you clear with this example. Means when you are satisfied with the service of some organization, then the customer will go to the same organization again and again. So through because of their services, they maintain the relationship. So this is about the CRM. Let's see the conclusion of CRM. A modern business firm has to invest time and resources in building up cordial relations with its stakeholders in order to have an equilibrium in its operation. CRM is such a tool to achieve more satisfied and happy customers who have positive relation with the firm and benefit both of the parties concerned. That means it is a CRM, it is a very important to the business to survive in the market, and it is a become good tool to maintain the relation with the customers. And because of the CRM, it benefit the customer as well as organization. So this is about the CRM, that is a customer relationship marketing. If you have any doubts, please clarify it. Thank you.